Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. For this project, I will use two ropes. These are the smaller ones from Dollar Tree. Some wire, a wooden stem for the pumpkin, garland or wire to form the curly tendrils, some leaves. I think the pumpkin leaves look more like this, but we'll see. And some glue. First, I will make the wire straight and cut it to the length of the rope. Then insert it into the rope as you can see here. All I do is open the rope and wrap it around the wire. To finish it, I will make the wire short, push it through the center and bring it out. I am going to follow the same process for the second rope. Next, I will wrap the rope around the cardboard tube to shape it. Using a zip tie, I will place it in the center, holding the rope to shape the pumpkin. While the zip tie is still loose, I will add a wooden stem in the center. Once everything is in place, I will tie it firmly and then cut the excess. Here's what we have so far. You can choose to glue the rope and then remove the zip tie, but I decided to leave it as it's not very visible. Now I will embellish it with some leaves and paper wire to complete it. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this beautiful pumpkin? Here is my pumpkin with the lantern I made 2 weeks ago. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe as more great content is coming soon.